Hi, this is John with WTI, and as I constantly check up on the hygiene and the well treatment of my little dog Noah, this is where this Burt and Bees shampoo comes into place. And one of the things that I like the most about this shampoo is the neutral smell. Sometimes, well, I will get like shampoos that it will be too much on the concentration of scents, or it will be too hard for for even me to smell. This one is like a nice mix of a neutral smell, not too much, not too little. The whole sensation on him, he just gets exactly what he needs, that he's trying to keep his hygiene into a nice place, keeps it in check. And the small scent of shea butter and honey just makes like a nice balance for my little dog. So every time that I will go there and just give him a nice bath, he just enjoys it, and it's like a nice part of the day. It's a really hot environment right now, so every time that he gets a little bath, he has the time of his life. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.